Welcome to Tell a Friend. And today we're planting our own crystals, and as you can see. And so Ria's has a glow-in-the-dark one, and mine is a white one. Now we're gonna open it to see what's inside. Ooh. So we have a jar, a crystal, and the special powder, and a stick. First we need to put the water in, and then the powder. We need to put the water as long as, so this is 3 centimeters. We need to put as much as water as it goes to the line. Okay. Okay.
Not yet. Stop.
No, a little more. Stop. Yes. Now we need to pour all the powder in and wait till it's melted. We have to mix it sometimes. Yeah. Okay. Do I mix? It looks like a tornado. Yeah. Oh, it's so hot, I can feel it. Now we need to wait for 3 minutes, and while we're doing that, we need to make a wish. I wish. Everyone can see Tella. I know.
Aren't you gonna make your wish, Ria?
I'm gonna make more than one. We're gonna put our crystal seed inside. Oh, it's probably powdery again. Yes, it definitely is. Oh. May 2? Me too? May 2? That doesn't make sense. Like this. I'm gonna take off the lid tomorrow, and it's gonna grow for 12 to 15 days. It's been 2 weeks, and look at it. It's grown. Crystals. I'm gonna pour the water inside the cup now because we don't need it now. Yeah. I'm trying not to. Don't worry, the crystal doesn't fall out. Whoa, Mommy, look. I'm not sure how it feels. It's a little pointy if you squeeze. Yeah. It's not good to wash the crystal because then we might damage the crystal. So we're gonna try to wipe the white edges. Not really. Isn't it pretty? So now so the lid is still just plain, but mine glows in the dark. Now I'm going to put on the lid on, and then I'm done. Let's see. Done. So mine doesn't glow in the dark, but it has a lid with an LED on it. Tella, yours is pretty. Yours too, Ria. It's really nice. Push it in. Done. It was really fun. Look at it. Mine's changing colors. And we're still gonna stare at it at night. and see how Ria's looks. Right, Ria? It's really fun. You should totally try this. Super fun. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!